my channel. My name is Jasmine Mendiola. So in the past, I've talked a lot about skincare, and I even had a video on how to do a DIY skincare massage. And I've already discussed this for a short period of time, and now I'd like to focus on this part of my skincare regimen that's very, very relaxing and quite close to my heart because I'm so fond of these things. I'll be talking about gemstone rollers, specifically the Jade Roller. So this one I got from Jade Roller Manila. I've been using this for a very long time now, and this is very precious to me because it really kind of punctuates a good skincare regimen. In case you haven't heard about it yet, a face roller is based on an ancient Chinese healing method. Using these jade material or jade stones, it actually helps bring back the chi or your life force, and literally translated, or if you really think about it practically, what it does, the motion of actually using a tool like this on your face brings back a proper blood circulation around your face, and seeing that it's the least exercised muscle when it's actually the most stressed out when it comes to making different facial expressions, talking to other people. You don't really get to go to the gym for your face. So this is something that you can do, especially if you feel very stressed out and want to treat yourself. What I would do would be using a mix of oils. So it really depends on you what kind of oil or serum you're using. For me, for everyday use, I really put on oils aside from my moisturizers. So I put that on my face, and then this is really a very quick routine. In the evening, I do this as I watch Netflix, and then sometimes I leave my face roller in the refrigerator so that it's really cool and relaxing. The jade in particular is a stone for healing and purifying. So supposedly it removes a lot of gunk or toxins from your skin. There are some jade rollers that have a mixed glass in it, or that's why they would come out cheaper in the market. If you're not gung-ho about authentic gemstones, the motion of actually doing it on your face might be alright, but for me, for example, I truly believe in the energy of crystals. So having an authentic jade roller is something that means a lot to me, and maybe to you as well. So the act of rolling helps lift and massage your face, and then depuffs it, especially because it's cool on the face. And most importantly, it's very important for lymphatic drainage. What is lymphatic drainage? It's basically removing lymphs that hold the toxins or parang deposits on your face. And the drainage points are here by your ears, and then over here below your neck. So what I would do when I use this is use the bigger side of the roller, and then start on the outer corner and then roll down, and then from the center of my face roll up on my jawline, moving towards the drainage point. So alternately, I'll do that. Maybe you can do that 3 to 5 times on one side before you move on to the next. What I'm really not very systematic when it comes to rolling my face. Sarap lang niya eh. So usually you're supposed to roll up, so you lift the roller. So from one point, for example, from your lips going up to the drainage point, lift and then roll. And then when you get to the smaller parts of your face, like under the eyes, you switch to the smaller roller like that. what I like about this is I really feel some of those parang yung buo-buo or lamig when you have a massage. May ganun din yung face, and you don't really get to tell that you have those things unless you do this to your face. So I randomly do mine, like whatever feels good. So I like doing this, especially even in the morning when I've had a late night, tas parang my eyes are so puffy. And then at night also. Ayan. So this one, the jade, has its own benefits, and it's the most popular because it's the one that's most widely used. But Jade Roller Manila also has it in different gemstones, and it's so exciting because if you're a believer in the healing energies of crystals, then you might find one better suited for you. So for example, there's the rose quartz. So I have several rose quartz stones lying around the house. So supposedly this is the stone for love, and it's the one that really translates closer to relationships and things like that. So this one, they say, helps promote self-love. So if it's something that you feel you're not very confident in, I guess this is the gemstone roller for you. But specifically what it does for you is really helps with the blood circulation, you know, blood, heart, and the flow. So feeling wise, what's the difference of one roller from the other aside from what they say the gemstones energies have? I find that the rose quartz is always colder than the jade. I don't know why. Parang I think it absorbs more coolness. And then there's also the amethyst. So this is a beautiful purple color amethyst face roller. So I also have those lying around the house because the amethyst is a protection stone. And it has a lot to do with your mood, or the way that you feel. And as a face roller, I think it makes a lot of sense for you to use it on your face as well, because they say that the amethyst helps relieve stress and will actually help you sleep better at night. So if for example you lack sleep, this might be a more helpful gemstone for you than the jade. And then lastly is the lapis lazuli. This is the stone for wisdom, and basically what it does is it relaxes the mind. And for some of you who aren't girly, I think this is a very precious stone that you can have in your arsenal. So good news, I'm giving away one of each of those face rollers from Jade Roller Manila. I have a post on my Instagram. Just comment below with by tagging 3 of your bride-to-be friends, and then repost that and tag me and Jade Roller Manila, and then we're going to raffle off all of those who commented by the next new moon, which is August 11 at 10:57 p.m. So I really hope that you like this video and that it's very helpful. I'm going to talk about the guasa next because this one is my current favorite in my arsenal of skincare regimens. And then for those who want to up their face rolling game, I would suggest that you also do that on top of a sheet mask. So after putting on everything, this is a nice ending, or it's a nice way of actually letting all the serums and the goodness of your cream seep in. So you just put it there and then go about your rolling. So after this, it's going to really make you feel rejuvenated and relaxed, and I'm probably funny looking now. So there, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye!